The story behind this project goes back to 2013. It was a simple task to build a drone that can fly 5 kilometers above the woods. And then I got this idea that the drones are pretty useless on the ground. So I decided to actually give the extra locomotion ability into the drones. So I decided to build a flying driving drone, which was also happened to be my final year project at the Middlesex University in London. And during that time, I also decided to launch this idea on the Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign. And the campaign was successful. Straight after I launched the company, and the whole adventure with the bee technology, with the Beccari and Xeral, actually started at that time, at that place. Hi, my name is Witold Mielniczek. I'm the CEO and founder at Bee Technology. I'm also a passionate designer. Our company mainly specializes in providing such as services as product design, engineering, CNC milling, 3D printing, 3D scanning, and many other disciplines involved in product design and development. We've got 4 people on the board. The first one who joined the company was Łukasz Wojakowski. He's our drone operator. He's also a programmer specializing in mechatronics. The second person who joined the company is Dominik Pyra. He's specializing in CAD design. He also operates the 3D scanner. And the last person who joined the team was the Mateusz Nieroda, who is the operator for our CNC machines, especially for the lathe. Once we start making our own parts, we had this need to actually confirm the geometry of the parts with the one which we're designing in the CAD. So we decided to purchase 3D scanner. We decided on the T-Hawk, which was for us the best option at the time. And we started using the scanner initially for just confirming the quality control of the parts. Later on, we actually used the scanner to do reverse engineering, control the quality of the supplied goods by the other suppliers, as well as comparing the data, simulation data from the computer to the real object. For example, deflection of the fuselage. We simulate the load in the fine element analysis, and we compare those results with the real model view, which was provided by scanning it with the T-Hawk scanner. So that for us is really a great tool actually to compare the simulation data between the real life and the one simulated in the computer. Our ultimate goal is to build the Beccari car. We aim to show the working prototype by the end of the year. We believe this idea can revolutionize the transportation market, because if you compare the helicopter and the plane, you can see that the helicopter's got many disadvantages. It's got a shorter range, it's got a shorter service sailing, it's got less fuel efficiency, and despite all these disadvantages, the helicopters are around us. They've got only one advantage, which is vertical takeoff and landing, which allows them to reach the places beyond the planes and land vertically in very concise spaces. So we believe our car, if we compare Beccari with the helicopter, we've got just one disadvantage, which is a slightly shorter endurance in the air, but on the ground we can explore the places by driving and swimming that are beyond of reach of any conventional vehicle or a helicopter. So we strongly believe that Beccari will be very soon in this decade the vehicle that will be served as the fast response ambulance, fast response vehicle for the police, delivering supplies to the remote areas, helping to explore places that are out of reach for any other type of the vehicles, as well as the car for everyday use.